She heard the words at midnight. Not shouted. Not whispered. Just spoken once. 6 words. They came from the other side of the door. And after that night, nothing was the same. Her name was Lena. She was 17 years old. She lived with her mother in a small house. Lena was a quiet girl. She liked walking alone. She liked writing short notes in a small book. She did not talk much. That night, she woke up suddenly. She did not know why. The house was dark. Very quiet. Then she heard voices. Her mother was talking to someone. Lena sat up in bed. She listened. The voices were low. Serious. She slowly walked to the door. She did not mean to listen. But she stopped. Then she heard the 6 words. She must never know the truth. Lena froze. Her hand touched the door. Her heart started to beat fast. Never know what truth? Her mother's voice sounded tired. Almost scared. The other person said nothing. Then footsteps. The front door closed. Lena went back to her bed. She did not sleep again. The next morning, her mother acted normal. She made breakfast. She smiled. Did you sleep well? Her mother asked. Yes, Lena said. But it was a lie. All day, the words stayed in her head. She must never know the truth. About what? About her father? About her past? About something bad? Days passed. Lena started to watch her mother closely. She noticed small things. Her mother hid letters. She locked a drawer. She stopped talking when Lena entered the room. At night, Lena dreamed of doors. Always closed. Always locked. One evening, Lena came home early. The house was empty. Her mother was not back yet. Lena stood in the living room. Her eyes went to the locked drawer. She stood there for a long time. Then she opened it. Inside were papers. Old papers. And one photo. A baby girl. In a hospital bed. The name on the paper was not Lena's name. Her hands started to shake. The door opened. Her mother came in. They looked at each other. No one spoke. Finally, Lena asked, "Who am I?" Her mother sat down slowly. Her face looked pale. "I wanted to tell you," she said, "but I was afraid." Lena waited. "You are not my child," her mother said. "I found you after an accident. No family came for you." The room felt smaller. Lena could not breathe well. "So those words," Lena said quietly. "The truth." Her mother nodded. "I thought it would protect you." Lena stood up. She felt empty. That night, Lena packed a small bag. She left a note. "I need to know who I am." She walked out of the house. The street was dark. Cold. She stayed with strangers. She slept in small rooms. She asked questions. Weeks passed. Then one day, she found a woman. The woman looked at her face for a long time. Then she started to cry. "You are my daughter," the woman said. Lena felt something break inside her. They talked for hours. Lena learned the truth. Her real family had searched. For years. The accident. The mistake. Everything was wrong from the start. Months later, Lena returned to the old house. Her mother opened the door. They did not hug. They did not cry. Lena looked at her and said, "Those 6 words changed everything." Her mother nodded. "I know." Lena turned to leave. As she walked away, she understood something. The 6 words did not ruin her life. They hid it. And hiding the truth was what broke everything.